The Audi Q8 e-tron edition. Dakar, unveiled today, is a special electric SUV inspired by the Dakar Rally model, specifically the RSQ e-tron. This exclusive SUV is designed to deliver impressive off-road capabilities combined with high and instantly available torque, making it ideal for adventurous driving off the beaten path. The Audi Q8 e-tron edition Dakar features a raised chassis and optional decals reminiscent of the RSQ e-tron. It comes with a quattro drivetrain and 2 motors, delivering 300 kilowatt in boost mode. The vehicle can accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds with standard tires and 5.9 seconds with General Grabber all-terrain tires. The range, as per the WLTP, is up to 487 kilometers, and its top speed is limited to 124 miles per hour. This model also includes a head-up display projecting important information onto the windshield. Additionally, the vehicle boasts 18-inch wheels with chunky all-terrain tires, 65mm more ground clearance than a standard Q8 e-tron, and a 57mm wider track. The roof rack comes standard and can hold up to 40 kilograms. Inside, the SUV features a sporty S-line interior with special edition floor mats and puddle lights. Audi plans to produce just 1,000 examples of the Edition Dakar, with prices starting at around 120,000 euros. A wrapped version featuring RSQ e-tron style graphics will also be available, limited to 99 units at a cost of 130,000 euros. However, it seems that it will only be available in left-hand drive markets. The Q8 e-tron Edition Dakar is a testament to Audi's commitment to blending off-road prowess with eco-friendly performance, offering an electrifying adventure for those looking to explore off-road terrains with an electric SUV.
Well, first of all, obviously, I need to divide between off-road pleasure and off-road competition, no? But now we are talking about off-road, just normal driving, and of course I think it's give you the same pleasure than when you are competing. You know, you have instant power, you don't need to wait for the power, you have very good response from the engine, very good torque. Most important in off-road, I will say, or one of the most important things is the modulation of the power is much easier to control with electrical power than with thermal engine. So all that putting together makes a good fun, but also easier to drive. Yeah, first of all, we need to think that we are driving a road car. No? We are not driving a competition, so the most important thing is that you need to like the car. And I like it, and then you need to get pleasure when you drive it, and the car has to answer all the conditions you are facing. The fact that this car has been prepared for an off-road, you can feel straight away when you are driving, because the comfort, because the drivability, the tires are also giving you comfort and more performance in any kind of off-road conditions. So there is no minus, always a plus. At the end of the day, the tire is a very important part of a car, no? And if you are going to be more time off-road, I think you need to have these special tires, because the comfort again, the sidewall is bigger, so that you get some comfort from the sidewall. And most important at the end is you are getting more grip under any conditions, mud, gravel, normal gravel. Of course, also in the snow. I have seen many good cars with the wrong tires, and you can go nowhere. So tires are a very important point, and I think this is a good combination. Of course, you can drive also on the road, so it's a good combination. Well, first of all, it's an Audi. Secondly, it is exclusive. It is a limited edition. and everything which is exclusive and limited edition is special, and I like special cars. So I will not mind to get one, and I used to drive quite a lot off-road in Spain, going hunting and going to my forest, and I think it's a good combination of mixture combination and very exclusive car and very nice looking car. The goals can only be one, try to win. It's going to be our third year there. When I look backwards and I see the beginning of this project, even if it is still short, because 3 years in competition is not very long, especially in the Dakar, and especially with such a different car, especially with such a difficult technology, I think it's not a lot of time, but we are obviously much more prepared. We are, the whole team, thinking that we are going to be able to fight for victories. We were quick the 2 previous years. We were missing something. Obviously, we are hoping that this year we are much better prepared, and yeah, we will see in a few months. If I answer what I'm going to answer, people may think it's because now I'm an Audi driver, no? But when I was a child, Audi came with a quattro, and I think that was a very special moment to all the rally fans. I have been 2 times World Rally champions after that period, and I have always missed Audi in the competition, in the rally competition. Audi decided to go back now in the Dakar. I was lucky to be part of this special challenge, and the DNA of Audi is, so strong in competition, so strong in technology, that I can only say I'm very proud to be part of this project and to be part of the Audi family.
Well, it was amazing. Both the combination of having a professional driver like Carlos, a legend, who is capable of doing everything, and then the fact that we are presenting the new edition of our Q8 e-tron, the Dakar, which is really fascinating. So the combination is an experience I will never forget. An Audi is an Audi. It doesn't matter which model or which special edition like this one. The moment you get into the car, you have to feel that it's an Audi in the quality perception, in the acoustic, in the comfort. And this is something that the Q8 e-tron Dakar also includes. But of course, if we want to drive with this car in an off-road place, we need more ground clearance. So this Dakar edition has 7 centimeters higher ground clearance, special tires for all terrain, and a combination of adaptation in the technique so that the customer can really experience the car off-road and not only on the road. What makes the Q8 e-tron Dakar so special is, first of all, its customers. People looking for adventure and at the same time sustainability. Second, it's very emotional design, outside and inside. But of course, what you need to drive off-road, it's robustness. It's higher, it has special wheels. That makes the Q8 e-tron so special. The Q8 e-tron Dakar sends a clear message to our customers. If you drive an EV, you don't have to make any compromises. You can enjoy the quiet ride in a normal street, and you can enjoy the adventure outside. And this is something that we will for sure apply in future EV models as well.